What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and today we are going to be making soy braised beef stew. That's right, I've got a game changer for you. Soy braised beef stew, simple and easy. Of course, we're gonna use the Instapot to tenderize our meat. No velveteen or anything needed, just that Instapot to tenderize that meat, and then we'll finish the cooking process on the stove on our Dutch oven, and we're gonna make a soy braised beef stew that's a game changer, folks. Stay tuned. Also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned to my channel. I've got all kind of videos. I even go to different fast food restaurants and seeing what's the hot item on the menu. So stay tuned, folks. Let's get the cooking. All right, folks, so let's go over the ingredients that we have here. What I have already prepped all of my vegetables and meats, but what you're looking at here is a beef roast that I've already cubed and chopped up. This is about a pound of chopped up beef roast. You can use whatever type of beef you want, chuck roast, pork roast, whatever you want, but this is that beef roast. And then also what I have here is I've sliced up some garlic and onions. Garlic and onions, not onion, but it's actually garlic and ginger. I'm sorry about that. Garlic and ginger is sliced up here, really good. We've also got our jalapenos. I love jalapenos. I like hot and spicy. If you don't like jalapenos, then you don't have to add this, but I've got jalapenos. Also, I've chopped up some white button mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Those are really good. I've got some carrots. I've chopped up my carrots, put those carrots in the bowl. And then we've got our onions. Onions have already been chopped up and sliced. Definitely put in the bowl, diced onions. And then scallions. Scallions, you have to put scallions in your beef stew and in your dishes. This is really good. So those are scallions. And then here we have, I like celery. So I've chopped up some celery, put my celery in the bowl. And then here in this little container here, I've actually got a mixture of brown sugar, or just not brown, but raw sugar, and some pink Himalayan salt. I'll show you how we use that. And then here's some of the stars, folks. Let me show you, pan up here and show you the stars. We've got this mushroom soy sauce, which is totally amazing. Mushroom soy sauce. And then I've also got some dark soy sauce. If you can see that there, that dark soy sauce. And then we've got our hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is really good. And then of course we have our rice vinegar, rice wine vinegar. This is really good. What I haven't showed you is the cornstarch, and we will make our slurry. But here are all of our ingredients, ladies and gentlemen. It's going crazy right now. All of these different veggies and items that we have. So let's go ahead and let's get to cooking, folks. Okay, YouTube family, so what we want to do here is I've got my Instant Pot, and we are going to add that pound of chopped up, cubed roast to this pot. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm dumping it all in. I'm adding all of that chopped up, cubed roast into our Instant Pot. And then what I'm going to do too as well is I'm going to, I believe I had a bay leaf. I'm going to take a bay leaf, and here's that bay leaf. I'm going to drop that bay leaf in there. And then I've got 2 cups of hot water. So I'm going to pour that hot water into our Instant Pot. And again, folks, there's no velveting in this process. This is how you make that beef just tender. And again, this is gonna be a soy braised beef stew. So I've got all of the ingredients that we need for this first step in our Instant Pot. We've added 2 cups of hot water. We've added 1 pound of cubed chuck roast and a bay leaf, folks, in our Instant Pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this Instant Pot up, and I'm gonna get this turned on, and stay with me, folks, and we'll keep on cooking. We're back, YouTube family. So now we have let the pan drop, and we are gonna open our pressure cooker and try not and burn ourselves. Woo! This is amazing, folks. That steam is just totally just coming off. I'm gonna try to get this so you can see some of this, and this is good. This is exactly what we want. This is our tenderized beef. And so what I'm gonna do is I've got a plate and I'm gonna scoop this out because we're not done just yet. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna sit it on a plate, and this is gonna be great, folks. I'm talking about a tenderized, perfect soy braised beef stew. It is just totally amazing. And then the good thing about this, folks, is that the liquid that's in the bottom of our Instant Pot here, this is going to be what we use for our broth. This makes an amazing flavored broth. I'm just gonna drain a little bit of that liquid back down in there. That's really, and this is really tender. It looks really amazing, folks. If you could just take a look at that beef there, that's amazing. I'm gonna put it on the plate. And what we'll do is we'll end up setting this plate to the side. But if you can see that there, folks, just look at that. Look at that. The steam is amazing. Hey, let's keep on going, folks. All right, YouTube, it's been 20 minutes, so let's get this uncovered. And wow, look at that, YouTube. Amazing. This beef stew is amazing. This is totally amazing, YouTube. Just look how tender this beef stew is. Totally amazing. What I didn't get to show you was I added my slurry, which was a 1/4 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and this is just amazing. This is definitely soy braised beef stew. Just take a look at that, folks. Just look at that, look at that, look at it, look at that. What I'll do is I'm gonna get this plated up and we're gonna taste and see how tender and how amazing this beef stew is. So stay tuned. Here we are, family. This is amazing braised, soy braised beef stew. And I tell you what, let's go ahead and grab those scallions and watch me just drop those scallions just right on top. That's what I like, those good fresh scallions, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll just put those scallions all over the top, just loaded with good scallions. This is amazing. This is what you want, folks. Again, this is soy braised beef stew, easy to make. We utilized our pressure cooker. It only took 10 minutes in the pressure cooker, of course, with a natural release. And this is what you have, folks. And so I'm gonna take my fork. Oh man, this is so tender. I want you to see this. Look how tender this is. I mean, it's just totally just pulling apart. I'm gonna grab, oh my gosh, this is just, whoo, that is a big piece of beef there, and that is amazing. But I wanna just show you guys so you can see seriously how tender this is. I wanna take one of my chopsticks and then I'm gonna grab this piece of beef. And then look at it. Look how easy it is for me to just pull this apart. I'm barely using any pressure, folks. This is real life here. You're talking about soy braised tender beef. YouTube family, I'm gonna let you take that first bite. Just look at that. Go ahead and eat up. I'm going, yeah. Now it's my turn, YouTube. Hopefully I don't burn myself and get 5th-degree burns, but here it is. I'm going in. This is amazing, folks. And the sauce is just totally amazing. Our vegetables are really good. Look at those vegetables. That's just a fork full of good vegetables. I'm gonna eat some. I'm going in. Again. Tender beef. I mean, it just totally breaks apart. This is what you want, YouTube. You be the judge. I want all of you to make this soy braised beef stew. You can all do it using your pressure cooker and your stove. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Please make sure you share this video. Help me get to 100 subscribers. And YouTube family, I look forward to seeing you on the next Chef Timmy Jay